Hi, a warm good evening to all of you. So now I'm going to brand now myself, Priya Mahesh, on behalf of my smallest aspiration. Let's sell successfully in English and வாங்க sales பேசலாம் in Tamil. So this is coffee meeting corporate strategies. This is in short. So every day for Saturday and Monday and Wednesday, we are going to speak coffee meeting corporate strategies in English. And again on Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, we are going to connect in Vanga Sales Peslam in Tamil. So let us move on for branding now. I'm not able to see because I'm using only the mobile today. I'll synchronize both PC and mobile, so I'm not able to see who are all online. A warm welcome to you. Kindly support my page by visiting my page and catching me live there. Of course, I'm going to share the live link in my timeline, then convert it into YouTube video and also share it in my timeline in my page and also in the caption meaning coffee meeting corporate strategies. So today in coffee meeting corporate strategies, what we are going to do is brand now. Brand now as a person, brand you as a salesperson, brand you as a team, brand you as a leader, and brand you as an organization, entrepreneurship, company, etc. So what is branding? See, branding need not be necessarily a huge brand like Hugo Boss or Lacoste or so many top brands are there in the market like Walmart and here in Lulu, Carrefour, so many things are there. So branding not necessarily should be limited to a top profile company with lot of profits. It can also be in a village, in a street where you are unique in selling your products for which is of top quality. If you take terracotta collections, no, we have in Chennai lot of city areas, but there is one place inside an interior village near Tambaram, Selayur, no, there you get very much branded lamps made of clay and coat. Just for example, I'm telling you, if you are elsewhere, you can please specify it in the comment box in my Facebook page, in my Facebook timeline, and also in my YouTube channel, Let's Sell Successfully. So today what we are going to brand, we are going to see branding now as a person, as a salesperson, as a team, okay, then as a leader. Without leaders there is no company, right? Then branding now as a company, right? So what is branding now as a person? This is of course from Stephen Covey. So this is, my mission is to live with integrity and to make a difference in the lives of others. So integrity, dignity, selflessness, not giving up for cheap things, and always making new career options. That is to move ahead of the positive side of life is branding you as a person. So again I say, my mission is to live with integrity and to make a difference in the lives of others is branding you as a person, or branding me as a person. I have branded myself already that what I am into. So let me not speak about myself. Let me speak about clues, right? My mission is to live with integrity and to make a difference in the lives of others is branding you as a person. Then branding you as a salesperson. That is what we are all about, right? Because this is Let's Sell Successfully and this is not something else. So you should be success oriented. I'm speaking branding yourself as a salesperson. If you want to brand yourself as a successful salesperson, then there are certain clues from my side. It is, you should be success oriented. You should be problem solvers. You should be good at tactical selling. That is, depending upon the situations, you have to adjust your sales to sell. Then you should be independent thinkers and very good decision makers. And finally, you could be good at managing multiple sales calls at the same time. That is, you should be able to manage a top-notch customer and also a needy customer at the same time. Most of all these points I'm coming again to brand you as a salesperson. First is, you should be success oriented, you should be problem solvers, you should be good at tactical selling, you should be independent, and also you should be good thinkers and decision makers. Then last point is, you should be good at managing multiple sales calls. For all these things to achieve, you should be good at working under pressure. As simple as that. Whatever be the pressure professionally, you should stay cool. Certain managers are class in that. Okay, so I really salute them. Whatever be the pressure, they coolly achieve in silence. I just love that kind of managers and love to train them more and more and get the lessons from them. So now we saw branding as a person, branding as a salesperson. Now let us move into what is branding as a team. Okay, branding as a team is running awake. Running awake is in a team, at least one person should take charge to watch the conditions every now and then, both from the management, from the competitors, from your inside your team, from the outside competitors, from the markets, from the products, from elsewhere. Okay, including people management, product management, market management, and pricing. And finally, as a sales manager in charge, you are going to manage the targets, right? Set the targets and achieve them. Then running awake, very close to its customers and to its markets. This is branding yourself as a team, which is the first point. I've just jotted down my points so that I don't spell them, misspell them in the other way. Then the second is searching for innovative solutions. If your product is not selling in one end, how to just boost it in the other end? You should be ready to travel. You should be ready to take up challenges. You should be ready to meet new people. Connect with only the customer point of view and not personal point of view is my personal clue here. Searching for innovative solutions, willing to take risks, and highly adaptable and changeable as the reinventing process goes on. Sales is completely reinventing. Those who are in retail know very well, because in banking and insurance product, once they devise a product presentation, once they devise a product, there is no question of changing the features of the product. But in retail, we change the price. In banking and finance areas, the pricing change never happens. Only the offers change, the gifts change, and the discounts change. And whatever benefits, peer benefits you give to the customer, say if you take a top platinum card, you say some 14 international airport check-ins, launches, international launches, A+ launches free. That can be changed, but the features of the product remain the same. The annual fees remain the same. Okay, the limit of the card remain the same. But if you take retail sales, if a perishable product is not selling, definitely the first clue is bringing down the price to push the products on time into the from the market shelves to the customers' shelves. So there we are going to bring down the product pricing. So that is what highly adaptable and changeable as the reinventing process is going on. This is especially for retail sector markets. So what do you really mean by reinventing? It is, if it fails, try to bring out a successful strategy in no time. You don't have time, because your food products will not wait for you to decide. They have their own shelf life, right? And then finally, quality oriented managed team people, both internally and its relationship with customers and vendors. So come again, how do you brand yourself as a team? You should be searching for innovative solutions. And then one more point I missed, I think. As I told, I jot down my points not to miss it. So running awake means being alert on everything. So running awake, very close to its customers and also very close to its markets. And also this WhatsApp is generally troubling me, right? So searching for innovative solutions, willing to take risks, highly adaptable and changeable as the reinventing process is going on. So when the reinventing fails, then try to bring successful new strategies in no time. This is brand you as a team. Okay, brand now as a team. Then quality oriented, both internally and its relationship with its customers and vendors. Now we are going to brand now as a leader. This is a very most important point, because we in the sales pipeline, we start as freshers, we move as team leaders, then from team leaders we move as sales managers, from there we move as zonal managers, sales in charge, head of sales, so many VP sales, president of sales, so many things carry on. So how to be a successful leader? Brand you as a leader, brand now as a leader. It's very simple. Okay, it is leaders desire power in general, right? They control and they try to be served, not to serve. Note the point. Leaders generally desire power, control and to be served. But the reality is that the leadership is based on a desire to be of service to your team and to empower people. So win your team through serving them, not by commanding them, is the clue. That is brand new now as a leader. How many leaders watching, I do not know. So in very short, to brand yourself as a leader, you should move from me to we. In that we, I have some restrictions to brand now as a leader. In that we, do not bring only options of your choices. You bring choices which will benefit the team as a whole, which will benefit success to the project, which will bring success to the organization for the mission which you were all united. So drama making people and self-centered people and unnecessary gossip creating people were not at all needed inside a leadership team. If I am going to take, again, leadership is to serve and not to command. So lead by example makes a leader. Living by example makes a leader. So it is from moving from me to we makes you a class personified leader. And one more thing, always be available to your team. Not only when the conditions are favorable to you, but at all times for the conditions which are not favorable to your team as well. This is branding yourself as a leader. Then finally, how to brand yourself as a company. That is what the clue is all about, right? We are all connected. What? We are all sitting here to play volleyball and throw ball and basketball. No, we are all connected to play the sales game with pitches of the markets and the competitors. So brand now as an organization or as an entrepreneur, as a company, you should be making selling easier, faster, cheaper to build a brand. Again, if you want to brand yourself as a company or organization or an entrepreneur, you have to make selling easier, faster, cheaper, and to build your brand. Okay, then once you succeed in branding your name, which is your company or your product name, you can spend less time and less money to get more business. Very simple. As I say, if I go and choose a Land Cruiser or a Land Rover or whatever top car in the market, I generally don't go and check the features with the salesperson. Everything I know. I just go walk into the showroom and ask for the features which I have to adapt myself according to my personal fittings. That is where branding now happens. So any person is not going to come and explain the features of a top branded car to you. Say Mercedes-Benz, nobody is going to come and any educated customer. That is what quality is all about. Any educated customer, you take Royal Enfield, you go to Chennai showroom Royal Enfield, you cannot go and if without knowing the features of what is a Bullet. Kindly don't aspire to buy that one, because to ride you should be a class personified person. You have to inculcate the passion towards riding that Bullet. Then what happens? You walk inside a Royal Enfield showroom, you go there and you don't go to approach the salesperson to explain to you the full features like a Villager. What you're going to do, you are already educated on the product. You're going there to test the color. You're going there to test some features which is adaptable to your own style of driving. That is what that means. It is already branded in the market. So I am telling you, you can spend less time and less money to get more business once you are branded in the market. For that branding to happen, it is very hard. You have to go through so many phases of hardships and challenges once you are into the business market to brand your product or your company or as a leader. Right? So this gives them greater profits to reinvest to make your company even more productive and widen the gap between yours and your competitor. See, there is a huge gap between the branded products and the new products, right? Why? Because the people know the name and the brand. That is where branding stands, right? So for which the journey is very long. The journey is very challenging. The journey is full of ups and downs. The journey has to go in tune with your personality of taking up the challenges, reacting to the situations, the features of connecting with dramatic people, with successful people, with the sincere people. As an entrepreneur, you as a leader, you should brand yourself in observing and diagnosing the correct core of business, not only with the markets but with your own people. This is what branding yourself as a company. So brand one positive strategy. Before concluding, I love to tell, you have to brand one positive strategy, then you will be soon associated with many strategies if you are going to brand your business as a person, as a team, as a leader. So we saw branding us as a person, as a salesperson, as a team, as a leader, and an entrepreneur or a company or an organization. So brand one positive strategy that will attract so many positive strategies is the key for today. See you all soon in yet another video. If there are any queries, I shall wait for 2 more minutes to take up. Otherwise, I'm ending up the session for brand now. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is Priya Mahesh for Let's Sell Successfully in Coffee Meeting Corporate Strategies set. Thank you.